Okay guys, so today we're talking about analytics. Let's once again move our little zoom button that always gets on there. So analytics then basically tells all of what's happening on your channel and sometimes some particular video. Alright, so this video is showing you the analytics on this video here. So you find it's probably not a lot of information because the video is new. Probably less than, okay, it says video has gotten 7 views since it was published. I think I only did it about 2 weeks ago. So again, once hardly any content. Now what it's saying is that people start watching it and then they kind of level off, pivoted off at a certain, at a certain level. Again, started off and then climbed and then climbed and climbed and then pivoted off. All right. Now audience retention. And it says not enough information to display audience retention data because again it's less than 28 days of that making the video. So but the whole analytics page is excellent. You pick a video and it'll tell you the details of that video. Okay, so reach. All right, how many people found that video? Okay, it was 609 impressions. That's where it can kind of go across, but people don't necessarily click on it. The views were 7 unique viewers. There's a brand new people that came upon the video. Now, how viewers find this video? Yes. Now it said, and if you're not sure, you just click on here in case I tell you and you forget. Here it said suggested video. 57% of viewers saw this video by suggested video. That means Google algorithm, because again I'm pivoting this channel more from not just education about tourism and all this stuff, but specifically I'm focusing more on finances and YouTube, right? So I think algorithm now, because I'm kind of pivoting more, the algorithm now is shooting out my stuff better. All right. So now on the channel channel pages, it says 42% of viewers from channel pages seen that video. Yeah. And then here it says percentage of viewers from direct or unknown, so they're not sure, kind of wherever that they stumbled upon that video. But again, when videos, this one is new, it's less than 28 days, so it's not a lot of data on it. So impressions and how they led to watch time. All right, this funnel depicts how many times a thumbnail was shown to the viewers on YouTube, example impressions, how frequently those thumbnails resulted in a view, click-through rate, and how those views ultimately led to watch time. Views and watch time that did not originate from impressions are not included in this report. All right, so external sites, not enough data. Again, it's a new video, not enough. Okay, and then engagement. Engagement again, how many people clicked on it or liked it, or this here to go. It shows you even we're still talking about this video. All right, how many people liked, disliked. The audience retention, not enough data. End screen, click-through rate, end screen, remember at the end where you want to go ahead and add in subscribe to my channel or click on this, whatever. At the end screen, meaning the end few seconds of the video. And on the audience section, all right, it says returning viewers with 2, unique viewers, and then subscribers. All right, 2 different things altogether. And it shows you here watch time hours since uploaded lifetime. All right, it says on a mobile phone 59% of people are watching, and then look at that small amount, 1%, the tablet, from the mobile phone, from TV. Wow, a lot of people are seemingly syncing, like casting their phone to the TV, I bet, rather than just watching on the phone itself. All right, or sometimes you cast it, or sometimes you just go on the TV itself, right? And from the computer, 2%. Wow, so a lot of people are not necessarily on a computer. People like to do things on the phone a lot, or I think a lot of time phone and then cast it to your TV. It's easier to watch it on the big screen. Here it even discusses, so analytics even discusses the watch time from subscribers. Watch time since it was uploaded, and again a lifetime, but this video is very short. Not subscribed. Let's see. Activity from viewers who are not subscribed to the channel. All right, 9.5. And yeah, so I like the analytics section because it can tell you so much. Subtitles. Viewers. Let's see if it gives you any more data on the subtitles. Oh, okay. Gotcha. The subtitles that on the 10th, 3 people watched based on subtitles, and English, those are English speakers. Subtitles, wow, so subtitles actually kind of helping people, in my view, helping the people watch and understand the video. Yeah, so analytics is pretty interesting. It tells you again a lot about a particular video or about the channel, and again you get to select from lifetime or 28 days. Voila. So we'll close on that today, that topic on the analytics section of the YouTube Studio.